Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the 200 megapixel camera mode on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the camera app. Here, we want to switch into a dedicated 200 megapixel mode. So we need to scroll down to high res, and we got the high res. And it says 200 megapixel right up top here. We want to click it, and now it's 200 megapixel. So when it's white, then it's 50. When it's orange, then it's 200. And now let me quickly take a picture of this flower right here. And we're waiting for it to stop processing. Here we got our picture, and it does not look good in the camera, but it's 201 megapixel. We got the resolution, and it's 27 megabytes per picture, so it's actually a lot. Now you can also disable it and take only 50 megapixel, but 200 megapixel camera mode is definitely for high resolution shots. Make sure to not do it too often unless you have a place to store your high storage pictures. So it's definitely a lot for one picture, to be honest, but if you have the memory, then why not? So that's how you guys can easily use the 200 megapixel camera mode. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.